Dilai rong marjong araratum arsik jitpen model draft bill aputhak mai kangni. Karbi Farmer Association ahin pen Bukulia Ponglok pet Damdoi LP School along Sai Chutiki Arada Pan Akenangson Ahormu Kirong. Mahamaya Constituency ke Parlo Angkang Rong Mirdan along Congress Kangdang Amai Kangni along Paro Arat Chetongdun. Kardom ada berta long peneli berta than bang thare harmony ben nan bertang ton ben arjik tha. Borjan MSC Constituency ke Parlo Angkang. Dilai rong marjong along phai kuni ni phai crazy arni. Ada por phai crazy a por pen. Karbi jutang abidisar kindar aphan pangnung kuksi. Karbi anglo autonomous council pen. Model draft bill kaselam aputhak. Chekroi dun dekhe angthek. Chipaklang aberta Cardinal salong berta nangle. Karbi Anglong Village Council Keseng Aparman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen keselam model draft bill alu kichok chit hektik dokonglo. Rong asar lapen hakopen kebang bom Karbi ajutang abidisar kindar aphan pangnung kupsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asor labangso alu selam delo lasil ladak arat kikroi kri angthek chipaklang dun. Dilai rong marjong along kepaman por amayelong soni aputhak chiparai pon siksudut aron. Ateng pen Village Council Senglongle Jongsi labangso draft bill Vidut Sirakre Pulote Kibangji Arni Rong Along Menang Dilongle Lapen Ladak Arong Pen Political Organization Doan Along Cherabdun Thekthi Depo Puta Cheparai Po
Village Council pen Karbi Anglong Arlu Village Council ke Sengji Phan Model Draft Bill Kaselam Along Nilitum Arat Lori Tumarong pen ke Jasamet peta detum tidon thekthi tapos thaksi jongsi ratcharia songatum jongsi labangso abil ke selam long 6 schedule aron ke pavir jelong chirabdun rong mate labangso abil jongsi papleng det polonte 6 schedule pavir det polonte balabangso pavir bit det long se chiram theke det polonte dilitum ke non ke bangji forthcoming election long dilitum song surile do se tame Nilitum rong along. Racharia song pupu bangke mai meeting nilitum chak the pusi nilitum arong pen. Lemikar mithur sarlar pe nilitum ciparai nang kong lo.
West Karbi Anglong District Chinthong Constituency ke Parlo Angkang Meghalaya ahoy kedai Ningkan Isipen Chiklojoni Angbong Ongdung Kaleng Maha Pu Avu Angtan Adet pen Nangka Humri Abirta Cardinal salong Birta Nangle
Angtan adet pen kechopana phanang kebe India det nihang ni rep along rija semet pen West Karbi Anglong hawar umrokuti along non malom Ongdung Kaleng Maha bo kechopan theklong labang so avu ahura phan forest asai khila pen chirok to aurat tumpen kilang dun mate rakom kipidun akinang sot labang so bo kilang ja phan pen an kijut kilang aphan nang humri rinti sitame West Karbi Anglong along labang swadim kepali ja phan mesen ka chileng atowar pen kisang adim sitame kavidet ajok Meghalaya sarkar tumsi anam ke kilong lapen avu kido West Karbi Anglong arlo sido manghu meme lapen ning oi mimi lasi West Karbi Anglong jasemet pen Meghalaya ahoy kidai kacheleng atowar lapen kaboha jadim kijoy kilang asai kampen saideng ponasonti mesenji kijoy kilang aphan ke bang ongdung lang chariatum kamunthi dam ke asam along rimati India angbong bang sobo nang kachupana dim ta ilong lupusiningje labang sobo nang kebe ke chiklojonian choji non ke do bama chiklu pen mati jonga chiklu angbong ansi do choji
Langpher Constituency Angkang Bukulia Ponglok pen Damdoi LP School along Phaikuni ni Phai Crazy Arni Karbi Farmer Association ahin pen Patirpi Ponsi Sai Chutiki aphan akenang so ahormu kiron pon asai kedenga birta Cardinal salong birta nang pali Bukulia Ponglok pet Damdoi LP School along Karbi Farmer Association ahin pen Saikatiki atum aphan akenang so ahormu kiron so kerot aphan nokek rang so keron pensi Jaimek pangcheng pono lapen RD dojat pen Saikatiki arat atum pen Saikatiki aputhakta kachingwai pato labang so Jaimek along Bukulia head branch sub branch Dukhin Ponglok pet sub branch Amaipu Chunbang atum Chetongdun lapen Karbi Farmer Association TDP Amai ahin pen Jom e Chunbang Robinson Teron Dihin Rimbang Longki Tiso Lapen Rab Dihin Rimbang Robinson Rongphal Atunta Chetongdun Non malong support han bertamu ton ponik sina
outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atolkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of genswear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dhinamo piputat bertalok bangthulo Mahamaya MSc Consensi ke parlo angkang phaikoni ni phai kresi arni anarlo por phai kresi rajitima por pen rong merdan Samson Singh TLP School pathu aklam alo Mahamaya Congress atum pen kangdang amai ke patopon aberta therang ke pen card news along berta nang pale
Abarim Beda Singh Rongpi Kichari pon amai long aluhi sarpo aman pen KADCC amai pa Ashok Teron Chetong dun man peng aluhi aman pen Anil Bora Kaja Terang Roland Ingti kon rong hang John Hansil pen chophalu hiaman ben MMMCC mai pi Anjali lekthepi chunmang kasang teron pi penan para ongdung Congress along man kilo tum chitong dun mai along ka chitong dun tum pen koson sin non town committee kiliga long ward tinta Congress tum ka chipai dun pen nang kiliji MP kiliga hutta Congress tum ke haidun pami pen non BJP rat pangria hut rat atum adu kido dun pen ki jogjia phan Congress pahai dun pami pen Congress sarkar ke chari long pami japhan palang thisi mai ron jasemet RDP pon
Balipathar High Assembly Pathu Aklam along Thaikuni ni Phai Crazy Arni pen Surihini la Krenar Cap Anikan Abaha Nihang Donsuri Sport Club atum pen Patirpi Ponsi Kechengsi Sarupathar MSC Cup Football Tournament Kepangcheng Pon Aberta Cardinals Perangke Bukozan pen Berta nang pale
Chairman Riso Singnar Nihang Donsuri KCS Zonal Committee Maipu Ramesh Singnar abarin VDC Chairman Atum David Ingti Uttom Tisu Khirambe Nihang Donsuri Sports Club Achunbang Hunaram Singnar Rat Cyclem Bang Samson Timung Balipathar Lambs Chairman Kison Bay Lapen Japrajan Sports Association Achunbang Kangra Ingti Atum Chetong Dunsi Kipathu Segalong RDP Dun Kipathu Kecheng Arni Sarihajan Polling Station Lapen Tingbasti Polling Station ang Bongsi Chipate Pon Sarihajan Atum Gold Plipen Tingbasti Phat Parem Pon Best Player anong itangka si Kasuri Isi Sarihajan Polling Station Pen Kirlahan Se Phansi Pajir Ponlo Lapen labang so along Balipathar Sports Association na Maipu nasing rong hang pensi Pajir Ponlo labang so kipathu along kelang chari dun atumate referee atum lake Moheshwar Togbi Baburam Teron Ranjit Rong Pilapen Dian Rong Pi atum pensi lang chari dun lo
Ada berta bang lapan sekang ton poningla tumi thangmi kurgang thu